solid state of matter. What are the objectives of this lesson? Students will be able to learn about solid state of matter. Students will be able to express typical properties of a solid. Students will describe the melting and the freezing process, and students will be able to learn about sublimation. Now, what is solid state of matter? In a solid state of matter, atoms, molecules or ions are closely packed, having definite shape and volume. They can only vibrate about their fixed positions. Solids are incompressible and do not flow. This diagram shows how particles are arranged in solids. What are the typical properties of solids? The typical properties of solids are melting point, freezing point, sublimation. This diagram shows how the solid is converted to a liquid by a process of melting, and again the liquid is converted to a solid by the process of freezing. This process shows the volatilization of a solid substance into a vapor phase without passing through a liquid phase. I am going to describe melting and freezing processes with reference to melting and freezing points. During heating, the particles of a solid start vibrating with greater kinetic energy. This makes the molecules a little bit apart from each other. This process increases the volume of solids. On further heating, a stage reaches when particles leave their fixed position and start moving in the form of a liquid state. This process is called melting. What is the definition of a melting point? The temperature at which solid turns into a liquid is called melting point. This diagram shows the melting of ice from a solid state to a liquid state. On cooling, liquid freezes. This freezing of a liquid is reverse of melting, so the temperature at which liquid turns into a solid is called freezing point. The melting and freezing of a substances occurs at the same temperature. At this temperature, the liquid and solid substances are in equilibrium with each other. This shows the freezing point of a water at a temperature of 0 degree centigrade. What is sublimation? Sublimation is the process in which a solid on heating is directly changed to vapors without passing through a liquid state, and the vapors on cooling are directly changed to solid without passing through a liquid state. The process is very useful for the purification of those substances which sublime. Examples of sublimation are ammonium chloride, benzoic acid, naphthalene and iodine. This diagram shows the sublimation of naphthalene. Now I am going to explain the sublimation of iodine molecule. When impure sample of iodine molecule is heated on sand bath, after some time dark violet black crystals of iodine deposit the underside of the glass water placed on the top of a beaker containing solid iodine. The iodine vapor sublimates from iodine crystals in the bottom of the beaker and condenses to form crystals on the glass watch. This shows the sublimation of violet black crystals of iodine.